Imagine waking up one morning to find that your investment has increased by 10 times overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? But for some cryptocurrency investors, this is a reality. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency investing, where the potential for massive returns is real. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Brave Warrior. Today, we're going to talk about cryptocurrency investing and how you can get started. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video will give you the lowdown on what you need to know. So, what is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it's a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. But what makes it so special? Imagine a world where you can send money anywhere in the world, without the need for banks or intermediaries. A world where transactions are fast, secure, and transparent. That's the world of cryptocurrency. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are many others, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. Each has its own unique features and uses. For example, Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold because of its limited supply and store of value. Ethereum, on the other hand, is more focused on smart contracts and decentralized applications. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, it's a high-risk, high-reward investment. The value of cryptocurrency can fluctuate wildly, so you could potentially lose money. But if you invest wisely, you could also see significant returns. One way to invest in cryptocurrency is through a cryptocurrency exchange, such as Coinbase or Binance. These exchanges allow you to buy, sell, and trade different types of cryptocurrency. Another way is through cryptocurrency wallets, such as Ledger or Trezor. These wallets allow you to store your cryptocurrency securely offline. It's also important to understand the different types of cryptocurrency investments, such as trading, buying and selling cryptocurrency on an exchange, investing, holding onto cryptocurrency for the long term, mining, using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems and earn cryptocurrency. Each type of investment has its own risks and rewards, and it's essential to understand them before getting started. Did you know that the first Bitcoin transaction was made in 2010 when a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz bought 2 Papa John's pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins? Today, those Bitcoins would be worth over $500 million. So, are you ready to get started with cryptocurrency investing? Here are some next steps. 1. Do your research. Learn as much as you can about cryptocurrency and the different types of coins available. 2. Choose a reputable exchange. Look for an exchange that is secure, reliable, and easy to use. 3. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.